All right, so this is the current robot. I got rid of like the old base that Danny used, which was just a piece of cardboard, and I just replaced it with the iPhone case. For the caster wheel, I found like this 3D printed phone stand that I had lying around, and it works height wise, and so yeah. And then I just put some stuff. I put a rubber band here, put a battery here to like stabilize the motors, because on the before it would like the tires would have like would camber inwards, like have negative camber when I set it down, because the motors were not securely attached. So yeah, like in terms of assembly, everything is good. Everything is like, you know, I just taped the stuff down in the middle, pretty convenient. I need to get a new battery. Right now I'm just using one of my own batteries that I have, but it's kind of running low as well. So in terms of like the code and like actually running the car, I edited a little bit of Danny's code because I moved the motors to the bottom now, and so like some of the directions were switched. I fixed that, so the directions are all correct now. But now that I'm testing it, I noticed a couple issues with testing. So let me just show you guys. Let's plug in. Let me unplug it real quick. Okay. Here's a close up. It's like top view, bottom view. That's the old battery. I'm just using it for structural purposes. And then, okay, so right now, if I just plug it in, there we go. And then also plug in this battery right here. And then I run the code. Here's the code. There. There we go. Run. Now I can go forward and backward, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. Never mind. It doesn't go forward or backward. So I guess right now it can't go forward or backward for some reason. Oh, well, it just did. It's kind of weird. It's not really going forward or backward, but turning is fine. So if I go like to the left, it goes left, right, and then back, right, goes back, right, back, left, goes back, left. So yeah, like I can move one wheel at a time, but for some reason I can't move both. Just, it's weird. Earlier when I had it plugged in, it was able to just move like directly forward and directly backward, okay? Now it can't, which I don't know why. But it should be the same if I unplug it. Okay. Nope. Now it's not working. Which is like, I don't know why unplugging it would make any difference, but it's making a difference for some reason. I mean, I literally like didn't change any of the code. It could be wiring. I mean, but I've like checked my wires a bunch of times and I can't find anything that's wrong with the wiring, but I did switch up the wires a little bit to make it like more organized, I guess. Like I put over here where there's like 6 wires, I used it, all wires of the same length. And then, because there used to be 2 like really long ones, and I moved the 2 long ones like up here to the controller. But yeah, nothing is working now, which is weird. But so I guess now if you plug it in, oh, now it works again. So I don't know, is it related to power or anything? Right, left, or wait, yeah, right, left, left, back right, back left. I don't know why, like, so if I press and hold back, do you hear the sound? It sounds like the motor controller is just making like a quiet whining sound. I think I can hear something. Maybe it's not this, but huh. So it's when I push it back, it's registering that I'm pushing back, because after I push back and then I go like right, it knows to go back right. So it's registering it, but it's not like, it's just not moving forward or backward at all if I just move it. So yeah, that's currently the state of the car. It's like 10:30 now, so I'm gonna go to sleep, but we should meet up like tomorrow, I guess, to try and work this out. Yeah.